Dashi Huihao Caster. Dashi Casters was founded in 2005. It is a professional caster production service company integrating research and development, production and sales, located in the beautiful coastal city, Qingdao. With 38,000 square meters of modern factory, nearly 200 employees, adhering to the operation concept of quick response to customers, meticulous about quality, excellence in management. We are committed to creating the world's leading high-end caster manufacturing brand. Dashi Huihao Casters focus on the innovative research and development of industrial casters with complete product specifications. There are thousands of styles of light-duty casters, heavy-duty casters, silent casters, shock-absorbing casters, leveling wheels, track wheels, etc., which are widely used in various industries and manufacturing industries, such as mechanical textiles, electronics, logistics and transportation, AGV automated factories, automobiles factory, and many other fields. Meet customer personalized customization requirements. Products are exported to more than 30 countries and regions at home and abroad. We have established a long-term, stable, and firm strategic partnership with our customers. Dashi Huihao Caster has been investing in scientific research for many years, have a professional product design and development team. It has 27 utility model patents. In 2013, the company has the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification with professional technical services, customized one-stop caster product design for customers. Modern facilities guarantee the production of first-class products. Dashi Huihao Caster invested heavily to build a modern production base, develop a set of modular, standardized, and traceable production process standards. Foundry build an automatic casting line, improve efficiency, realize automatic mechanized production. PU workshop, 2 advanced PU wheel production lines, modular operation process, eliminate the impact of all hidden dangers. Car processing workshop, a number of semi-automatic lathes imported from Japan, more than 10 domestic semi-automatic lathes, CNC lathes, effectively ensure process quality. Injection workshop, nearly 10 sets from 120 tons to 380 tons of automatic injection equipment, improve production efficiency and capacity. Stamping workshop, dozens of tables covering 50 tons to 600 tons of advanced stamping equipment, customized casters to meet different load requirements. Automatic welding workshop, more than 10 automatic welding machines, intelligent welding robots, ensure the welding precision to ensure first-class quality. Electroplating workshop, automatic hanging plating and rolling plating production line, suitable for different shapes and sizes of parts and components. Environmental protection galvanized, protect customer rights and interests. Assembly workshop, automatic labeling, packaging, petalizing, automatic error, proof identification system, strict assembly management standards to ensure that the hands of customers accurate qualified products. The experimental test, professional simulation test laboratory, inspect whether the strength and function of each small part of the caster are qualified. There are full-time inspectors for each process, ensure the accuracy of each process. Mold workshop, have more than 30 years of professional mold production technicians, perfect mold repair and maintenance process, ensure the production process is more efficient, ensure customer delivery and quality. Standardized warehouse management system, professional logistics distribution and after-sales service, ensure that zero defect quality standards are achieved. Achieve a Dashi brand with a daily processing capacity of 40,000 and an annual output value of 200 million yuan. Dashi Huihao Caster is one of the few in China manufacturers with casters of the whole industrial chain, control product quality from the source, and through the establishment of ERP system, digital manufacturing implementation platform, It opens up the flow of data between planning, production, logistics, and equipment. Realize the whole process of production digital. Build digital production workshop. Strives for the survival by the quality. Strives for the development by the innovation. Relies on the prestige, wins the market. Qingdao Dashi Huihao Caster Company Limited. Create value with customers. It is a reliable caster production service provider. Let China boutique casters serve the world.